Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Wisconsin Greg. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to take you out on a solo camping trip with me. I'm a pretty beginning camper. I've been probably camping maybe 3 times in my whole life. This is my own woods. I don't know why I don't go camping more. I should. It's close to home and I got the place to go. So I'm planning on doing more of that in the future. It's a really nice day today. It's finally not raining here in south central Wisconsin. We've had lots and lots of rain this spring, and it's been hard to get anything done. I finally got all the crops planted, the corn and soybeans planted, and no work this weekend at the factory for me. So I'm going to come out here and enjoy nature, and thought I'd bring you along. Enjoy the video. shelter. Woohoo! Now for some fire and then some dinner. This tree over here should be almost enough wood for me to get through the night. There probably will be plenty of wood. So that's why I set my tent up here. It's nice and handy. I won't have to carry it very far. And it's standing wood because we've had a lot of rain around here, so this should be really dry. So we're going to see if we can knock this tree down and go from there. break. Okay, I'm going to take a little break from cutting wood, and I'm going to set up the inside of my tent with a sleeping pad and get my sleeping bag rolled out so it can fluff up a little bit. I don't think I'll be needing it too much tonight. It's really hot, but it'll be something to lay on anyways, a little bit more comfortable. So get her laid out, and then I'll give you a show of the inside of the tent and so you can see what it looks like. Okay, it's nothing fancy. It's just a Ozark Trail air mattress I have under here, and then an Ozark Trail sleeping bag, which is good to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's just pretty much a summer sleeping bag, pretty light duty. And that's about it. Nothing fancy, just bought from Walmart. And I've only used those two things once before, and I was happy with them then, so I'm sure they'll be fine tonight. And that's it for the inside of there. I'll put some more stuff inside here before I go to bed, and just in case it would rain, but we're not expecting any rain tonight. So I'm gonna go back to cutting some wood, and then we'll get some fire going, and then we'll go on to cooking some dinner. Okay, I'm back. I got most of that tree all chopped up. I'm all wore out now, so I'm gonna see if I can get this fire started before it gets dark out. The sun's going down kind of quick here. Some of the real tiny sticks, have it real close here so I can just slide them right over if I get it going. Hey, got her. A little bit bigger sticks here. I was going to walk over to the other side of the woods. There's some birch over there and get some birch bark. But it's getting late, so I just used a cotton ball with petroleum jelly in it. And it seemed to work real good, even after sitting for 3 years. Bigger and bigger, the fire keeps going. Don't want to put too much on there though. Keep the bugs away, although I haven't felt any yet. It's too breezy and windy tonight, and I don't think there's many bugs out, which is a good thing. It's really hot though. Smoke smooth by a little bit. Well, I guess it looks okay, not too bad. I amaze myself. Can't believe I got that started on one cotton ball. And I was gonna split this bigger stuff or baton through some of it with a knife, but running late, and I don't think I even need to because there's no bark on it, so I'm going to try it without it. And I don't want a real big fire tonight because it's not cold. I just want it for a little bit of light, and then I'm going to cook my dinner on it tonight. She's gonna go good, so I'm gonna stop the video here for a little bit and come back when I'm starting to cook my dinner. I'll be back in a little bit. Using my little ember stove here to boil some water, and then I'm gonna have some beef stroganoff with noodles from Mountain House. I've never tried one of these before, so I figured it's a good time to try them. And I hope it's good because I'm really hungry. As soon as I get eating at it, I'll be right back at you. It's getting dark out here, but my water's done boiling, so I'm going to dump it in a bag and let it sit for 8 to 9 minutes, and then I'm going to have some dinner, and then I'm going to sit around a little bit and then go to bed. Sorry, it's getting really dark out here, so I ain't going to be able to videotape much longer. And I'm going to try to eat this, so I'm going to let you go and take a bite of it here and see if I can see what it even tastes like. Really hot. Eating it right out of the bag. It's good. First bite was delicious. Wow. Much better than I expected. That's good. I think there's like 2.5 servings in this bag, and I'm gonna eat all of it. I'm starving. That tree just about killed me tonight. Getting too old for that. So, okay, so that's it for right now. I might be back right before I go to bed. So I'm going to sign off and finish this, and we'll let you go for now. Talk to you later. Hello everyone, good morning. I just wanted to get back with you. I'm sorry I was going to touch base with you last night before I went to bed, but my phone battery was getting pretty low. And so that brings me to the point that I wanted to bring some pointers to you what I learned on this trip. One thing is that I need a battery storage device so I can charge my phone out here in the woods. I brought my tablet with me, so that was a good thing. But what I did for my phone is I have my car it's probably about 10-15 minutes from here. I walked down there, I plugged it in and left it overnight. I don't like not having a phone with me. So in the future I'm gonna cure that so I can charge it right here in the tent. The tree that I cut down, this is all that's left, is a couple pieces of, timber and firewood, and that's gonna be used probably before I leave, so that was just the perfect size tree. Another thing I wanted to mention is this lantern here. I got this as a gift. I'll do a review on it at a later date, but it works spectacular. It worked all night long on one candle, which I'm pretty amazed that it lasted that long. You know, sometimes they advertise things and you don't believe it, or it's under extremely perfect conditions, but this worked perfect and it lasted all night long. And it did what it's supposed to. Another thing that I want to mention is I learned that a couple things that I need to do is sharpen my axe and my hatchet. They're not sharp enough, and I noticed that was kind of holding me back from processing wood properly. This saw right here I wasn't going to bring it with me, and I'm sure glad I did, because it made things a whole lot easier. I was thinking about not bringing it because it's kind of big in size, but it's not heavy at all. I don't know if it's aluminum or what, but it's really light. But I would highly recommend one of these. It's popular. This one's a popular mechanics. It wouldn't matter, but just get yourself a light one and a pretty big blade here. And if you can find one with a little, like a case would be nice. I don't have a case for mine. I'm gonna have to make one or something. But I'm sure glad I brought it with me. It saved a whole lot of time. So I'm gonna have myself a cup of hot chocolate before I leave here this morning. I'd like to stay here another day or two, but I got a lot of stuff to do. I got the normal stuff everybody's got to do. I got laundry and I got grocery shopping and dishes to do. So I got to get home and do that. And I wanted to run and see a local band this afternoon. And then Monday I got a couple appointments and then back to work. So the weekends just blow right by. And I know you guys all know how that is. But so in the future I hope to have more time to do this. But in the meantime I'm just getting my equipment put together and finding out what I need. Well, that brings me another thing that I did find out that I need when I was in the tent trying to sleep last night, and that's I need a pillow. I need a blow-up pillow. I think that would work out pretty well. I forgot to bring a pillow, and they're kind of too bulky to bring anyways. I want to get a blow-up one. So what I ended up using is a jacket. I had to roll it up into a ball. Not the most comfortable thing, but it was better than nothing. So just want to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my videos. So I hope you can come back and visit me some more and watch some more of my videos. And just want to say thanks for watching. This is Wisconsin Greg. We're up.